Greetings! Today we are exploring cutting-edge video management with the Milesight A-channel 4K H.265 Mini, and we are 1000. This powerhouse introduces advanced surveillance with AI VCA, object detection, and behavior analysis for precision-driven event interpretation. Join us as we unpack this compact yet robust NVR right now.
Ooh, gold.
Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the Milesight A-channel 4K H.265 Mini, and we are 1000. If you are ready to elevate your surveillance game, check the link in the description to discover and acquire this compact powerhouse. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. This support enables us to create more captivating content for you. See you soon. Finally, don't forget to explore our catalog at Getic.com, featuring the latest products from leading brands like Microtik, Ubiquiti, Teltonika, and Alpha Networks. Always offered at advantageous prices for both wholesale and individual orders. Expand your capabilities, and until next time, goodbye.